No. There is a notice.
We have
Notice has issued yesterday.
Yes, Malord, we have
That it
just
should be before the.
we have just made a mention before Honorable Court Sumitro Sirka, Malord, and Malords have mentioned that he will only be taking the items which are mentioned as 3, 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 21, and 22, and the supplementary list of his own court, Malord. So I have just clarified from the court, Malord, and the rest of the supplementary list of this court, Malord will be taking up, Malord. As the matters are all part hard, Malord, Your Lordship knows that.
Along with the matters listed in the supplementary cause list.
Supplementary causes of that court, Malord. So just we have come from that court and have taken the clarification, Malord.
Listed before.
So we were also under the impression, Malord.
Along with the matters listed in permit.
We were also under the impression, Malord, that
Honorable language says so.
Yes, Malord. We were also under the impression that the court number 10 would be taking up all these matters. Yes. So we made a mention, Malord.
Then why this has to be issued?
This is creating a little confusion. So now it has been clarified by them. So we came with my senior, Malord, before Your Lordship. But otherwise, also matters are part hard by my lords. If Your Lordship uses the last order passed, they took some time to file a.
Who has clarified this?
My Lord, court number 10 and from the bench, my Lord.
They should have been
yes,
little more careful.
It's a little ambiguous, my Lord. The contents seem to be a little ambiguous, my Lord. So
not ambiguous, it's very clear.
No, regarding the supplementary list, my Lord.
Yes.
Because
along with the matters listed in the supplementary cause list. The certain items listed before this.
Yes, of course.
Along with supplementary.
Exactly.
So we were of
the impression that the matter will be taken up there, my lord, but because it's part heard, can't be taken up there.
So what is to be done?
Lordship, as it is there, we have, my lord, I'm being led by the Advocate General, my lord. As it is, there are some developments, my lord, which the AG will AG as well as the Mr. Majumdar will, my lord, will place before your lordship, my lord. So lordship will have it on Thursday, my lord.
On 15th?
On 15th, my lord. I have taken their concern on 15th.
And
certain developments, my lord, which
what have to be developments?
My lord will
by the last order, the petitioners were allowed to.
No, my lord,
they have
all that was done, my lord, but my senior will.
No, what happened? What happened?
My lord, they have
in between NCT.
The documents have verification is over. Documents verification is over.
They have filed a transfer petition in the Supreme
Court. No, my lord, that will come later, not us, my lord.
The
point your lordship has just pointed out, my lord, regarding the application for verification, what we have been instructed, it is in the process because of the election, my lord. It was, my lord, kept for a while. In between NCT authorities. Yes, ma'am. So, my lord, the NCT authorities in the meanwhile have filed an affidavit just few days back, clearly mentioning that the 18-month diploma is a valid diploma and the certain directions has been given by NCT, that is the apex body, to the government of Assam also, that you comply with the orders of the Honorable Apex Court.
Recently?
Yes, my lord. Recently. This is the
2nd of May, my lord.
They have filed. So now the government has the prerogative to either comply with the orders of this Honorable Supreme Court or they may take a different stand. It's up to them, my lord.
Lordship,
what about the transfer petition?
We are not the people who have filed, my lord. Maybe there may be some other people also.
Can we see this, my lord? They
but my client has no instructions.
525, my lord, and the case numbers also
there. May be some of them.
The cases, my lord, the cases are here, my lord. All the cases are fixed there. We have taken out the order, my lord. My senior will come and appraise your lordship.
Let them file an affidavit to that regard, my lord.
Lordship will see 1913, the main case, Milan Basumatari. That is already there.
No, I am not a counsel for Milan Basumatari.
But whatever, my lord, these are analogous matters, my lord, all connected cases, my lord. All from 40 to 59, all connected cases, my lord. So it will be taken as one only, my lord.
See, ultimately, if the NCT
yes, my lord,
and the UGC,
my lord,
who has written the letter to the Assam?
NCT, my lord.
Government of NCT.
NCT, my lord.
Is an appropriate authority?
Yes, my lord.
Unless you challenge that.
Yes,
my lord, can be taken after some time. Let my senior come. He's in court number 1, my lord. He'll come, my lord, and he'll appraise your lordship if required.
We'll fix it on 15th.
15. My senior is also here, my lord.
We'll fix it on
15 then, man. On 15.
We'll dispose it on
yes,
15.
We'll
you inform because once the
15th, my lord, we have-
NCT said it's recognized and direction is given to discharge in terms of the Supreme Court wrongly or rightly, unless you decide it, you challenge it. It can be
Correct.
is on the joint prayer of London Council for the parties. Let this matter be listed on
15th of,
15/05/2025.
as a part matter, my lord. It is already,
Obviously, it's perfect.
part heard, my lord.
I'm obliged, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Our name may be recorded.
Huh?
Name may be recorded.
Then you record her
Worship is-
so and so, so and so, so and so, huh?
No, what did he said? 15th.
Yes, Mr. Majumdar.
Let it be on the 15th because.
No, it's okay, but then the problem is the NCT has filed an, I mean, they have filed and they have already said that it's recognized
It's recognized, yes, that they
and
have said,
accordingly letter has been issued to you.
yes,
So-
that we have asked for the.
So unless
Department of
you challenge that matter ends there.
If the NCT
There's nothing
accepts,
to be.
this is off the record, my lord, if the
No,
NCT
we're
accepts,
fixing,
my lord, then
no,
we
we're
have nothing,
fixing it on 15.
my lord,
I'm just telling you, I mean, so
No,
that you
I'll
can
get
take
that answer.
appropriate steps
I'll get the instruction.
and take a, I mean, have a
Otherwise,
discussion
my lord,
with
these matters which are sought to be transferred, what I have been told is that the transfer petitions have been dismissed because now it has come to light that it was not always all the tagged cases would be similar. Maybe they have to taken up on a different basis because there were some people who approached when the selection process was on. There are some people who have come because
No,
an
that,
interim was,
no,
that we
that-
have to
no,
differentiate.
no, that we will see, that
End of
is
the day.
on merit because the basic issue,
Yes,
the
Whether 18
issue
months-
is whether the 18
18 months.
18
allowed to
month
participate.
course
Correct,
is a,
correct.
can be recognized, is a
Recognized or
recognized
not.
diploma course or not, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
That
Then,
on 15th.
then in that case, whoever has applied and who has been on time and who has not been prevented because of that,
Correct.
we'll see to that,
Of course.
case to case basis. But you have to take a call, you have to be
Yes, I'll get
very
my,
clear on your stand, on the next step.
a
Alright.
verbal discussion. It was that if the NCT recognizes, it's okay, but I'll have to get it on written from the
Yeah,
appropriate
written
authority.
and
Otherwise,
as well as you find out what are the cases, whose writ petitions are, I mean,
would stand covered and who's
yeah,
not.
covered by, and who can be allowed, continue to be allowed, and who cannot be, I mean, allowed to participate.
We'll do that.
Certain, I mean, on the facts of each case.
My lord.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Okay, then you heard Mr.
Each,
Okay.
my,
Judicial London Senior Counsel assisted by Mr. Spencer, London Counsel for the petition, and Mr. D. Majumdar, London Standing Counsel, School Education
School education.
Department, and
I allow my lord.
I Alam for NCT. Respondent number? Hmm.
That's number 4, my lord.
Hmm.
That's number 4.
Jail. Huh? Next para, as agreed to by, no, it is submitted that NCT, respondent number 5.
Hmm.
Respondent number 5, NCT,
Four, my lord.
respondent number 4 has already clarified the issue regarding recognition of 18 months
18 months diploma.
diploma
In
course
elementary.
as a valid diploma, diploma degree, diploma what? Diploma certificate accordingly. Letter has been issued to the state of Assam for recognition of this. As agreed to the land conflict of the parties. But this has been listed on 15 cents, 5/2025 for further hearing. It is the Mr. Majumdar, the listening council to make the stand of the state clear on the next in view of the recent development of recognition by the, no, in view of the stand of the NCT with regard to recognition of 18 months diploma course. That's all.
Obliged.
I'm obliged, my lord. Highly obliged.